Okay guys, so today I'm going to talk about application of liquid and solid. So I'm going to explain two application of liquid and two application of solid. So first I'm going to talk about liquid, which is surface tension. So I'm going to give an example like a strider. Why a strider can float on water. Striders can float on water due to surface tension, and surface tension works basically like whenever you put something on top of the surface of the liquid, the molecules of the liquid will be pulled downwards and sideways. Thus the object will stay on top of the surface of the liquid. I'm going to show an example. So I will need a rubber band, a, a cup, and I will fill it with water, and I'll fill it with water now. We got water ready. And also I forgot we need a fork so we can place it properly. So we need a fork, and then I'm gonna put this rubber band here. Wait first. Okay, so hold it carefully and put it here. And oh no, wait. Okay, and you can see the rubber band floats on top of the surface. So this is how a strider can work. So I'm going to explain it again. Whenever I put something like a rubber band on top, or which in case the application is a strider, the strider will use its legs to step on this surface, and when it steps on the surface, the water molecules are pushed downwards and sideways. So that's how surface tension works for liquid. Hi guys, so the next application I'm going to talk about is viscosity. So we know that viscosity is the resistance of the liquid to flow. So what is that? So basically it just shows how well the liquid flows through a system. So if it flows slow, it just means that it has a higher viscosity, and if it flows more faster, it has a lower viscosity. So I'm going to show you an application between dish soap and water. So I'm going to bring out the items. Stop ah. Okay, so now we have the item. I'm having one cup with dish soap and another one with water. Okay, let me rephrase that again. I'm going to have one cup with dish soap and another one with water. So we know that this dish soap has a higher viscosity and it will flow more slower than water. So I'm going to show you by pouring these two liquids into this sink. Pause dulu, pause. Dah. Okay, so I'm going to pour both simultaneously. One is dish soap and one is liquid. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. So okay, that's all for it. So we can see that liquid flow. Uh, okay, so after that small experiment, we can see that the dish soap I bought has a higher viscosity than water because it flows more slower, and which makes it more resistant to flow. And water on the other hand is more lower on viscosity because it flows more faster than dish soap. So that's all for another application of liquid. Okay, thank you.